How's it going, YouTube? Wow, I feel like I haven't seen you guys in forever. Like, I'm actually very excited to see you guys today. Yeah, let's get right into it. So before we get on the water, I do want to talk to you guys about a update, a change to my channel. It's a good change. It's not a bad change. It's not against anybody, anyone, anything, right? I'll tell you guys sooner or later. It's just, I can't do it now. I really want to, but I can't, okay? Just chill. But there is going to be an update, I should say, right? An update to the channel. I'll eventually announce that maybe by the end of the month. I'm still kind of waiting for some confirmation a little bit, right? Something like that. It's gonna be cool, you know. Got a lot of plans, got a lot of projects, got a lot of things that I want to do with this change, and it's gonna be cool, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'll be going into Madison right now. I came back from my vacation. I just got this like panfish urge, like this panfish, like, dude, you need to go out and catch more panfish for some reason. Like, it's weird. I'm just like that. Maybe that's why my channel is just based off of like multi-species. I know a lot of people like, oh, why don't you like just focus on one thing? And I just can't, man. Like, to be honest, if I could, I would just focus on like walleyes and white bass, right? Because that's like very popular here in my area. But I just love bass fishing. I just love walleyes, white bass, crappie, everything, dude. Panfish. I just love multi-species in general. That's just who I am, and I just have to get them to bite, like all those fish to bite. So that's just me. Anyways, we're going to Madison. We're going to go look for some bluegills, right? Specifically bluegills, because around this time of the year, the fall transition, pan fishing is really good during the fall. It's a lot of fun. It's very simple. As simple as just a bobber and a worm, right? A red worm. But today we are going to go look for some deeper water bluegills. Throw some drop shots, some tungsten jig head with red worms, with plastic, whatever we can do. I just want to find some big, you know, 8, 9, 10-incher bluegills. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I thank you guys for being understanding and patient and watching my videos. I know I've been getting a lot of like negative comments in a way, which is okay. You know, I get them all the time. It's just, see the light, guys. Be positive. It's fishing. It's supposed to be fun. I try to inform you guys as much as I can. I apologize to those who I can't satisfy everyone, so I just wanted to put that out there, and I try my best to I read all my comments, okay? I read everything you guys post, and I appreciate everything you guys do and taking your time to watch my videos. So thought I'd tell you guys that personally. Moving forward, with that being said, I'll see you guys out on the water. I'm excited, dude. Let's go. We got an hour drive, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we made it out here. Finally we made it out here. Let me just set up my third-person view here just in case we run into a big fish, right? I don't want to jinx it yet, but you guys know how it goes. I didn't bring my bigger battery box, but this one is my portable one that I made. It's the one I keep in my backpack. Power on. We got 14.1 volt next to it. There we go. Much better. And it's running. So this is what I'm doing, guys. Simply a drop shot. I forgot what weight it is. I think this is only a 1/4 ounce. Drop shot about on a foot to a size 8 plain hook and a worm. That's basically what it is. So we're marking fish down there. We're dropping down vertically, trying our best to stay on top of it. It's red worm, so they should come after it. Got another one. Oh, dude, that feels good. Look at him fight, dude. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Dude, why are you guys so freaking thick? Wow. That's insane. Holy smoke. That's crazy, yo. That's insane. That is a beautiful city bluegill. Got him. Yeah. Dude, look at him go, man. My goodness. Fight so hard, dude. Oh my god, look at this guy. So beautiful. Dude, look how thick you are. Sheesh. You're a thick golden fish. Absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Let me show it to the camera really quick here. It's not the biggest one yet, guys, but we are catching them. And look how nice and tall they are. It's crazy. Found like a little school right here. I tend to stay in the same spot, so we're gonna keep hunting this spot down until they move. Dude, right away. Man, look how hard they fight. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. They just keep getting bigger, man. I might have to just put the big ones in this video. Look at that. There we go. Wow. Beautiful. I'm using an ultralight rod, my TFO panfish rod, my size 500 reel. 4-pound test is the way to go. You can get away with 3, power to you, but 4-pound is like perfect for this kind of situation. Dude, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, dude. Man, look at the ear on this thing. That's so much fun, dude. I can't complain about this at all. Absolutely gorgeous fish. Look at that. Jeez. Anyways, as I'm doing here, basically scanning around, looking for structures, looking for fish on my graph. I don't have live scope, so down in imaging is all I got. And once I see something, you know, weird or different than just flat, I usually stop right on it and I'll drop my red worm, drop shot red worm here, and just hopefully they take it, you know. Oh, there we go. That guy hit it so freaking hard. Jeez, look at that. Wow, dude. Absolute gorgeous fish. Look how white it is compared to the other ones. This is so much fun. Man. I want to find the big ones though. We need the big dogs. Oh, there it is. There's a mark. There's a mark right there. Yep, just hold it still in front of your trolling motor. There we go. Dude, look how hard they fight, man. It's crazy. Wow, look at that guy. Jeez, dude, you are tall. Why are you so tall? Holy smoke. Look how tall this thing is. Dude, that's insane. That's a respectable fish. Wow. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful fish. Gotta get a picture of this one right here. I take the fact that they're tall over the long, you know? I can't put my hand around it. Dude, look at that. Jeez, man. Gotta get a shot of this guy right here. Look at how big that fish is. Alright, get your release. So these are the hook I'm using. Team Crappie. The ones I use for whitefish. I use for white bass, walleye, everything, guys. Everything. And I love these hooks, man. Absolutely true believer in them. They work for whitefish so good. Crappies, bluegills, everything. So here's how I'm rigging up my red worm. Nothing fancy, guys. Push it right through the middle of the worm right there, kind of like wacky style, but thread it just a little bit, not too much. Okay, that way it gives that worm that nice action. Here we go, guys, pulling up to the spot. Right. Oh my. Dude, sheesh. Just fight so hard. Yeah, even without forward facing sonar, I'm killing it. Look how tall this thing is. I know they got some pretty big bluegills in here. Dude, it fights so fun. Jeez, look at this guy. Dude, look how tall that thing is. Oh my goodness. Ah, they're spiky too. Stop, stop. Absolutely gorgeous fish. nice one. Oh, jeez. It's huge. My goodness. Dude, that thing is tall as heck. Wow. That's crazy. Dude, oh my gosh. Look how tall that thing is, dude. Dude, look at that. That's an absolute tank. That's crazy. Wow. That's a tall freaking fish, tell y'all that. Stop, stop, stop. Just want to measure you. 8 1/4. That's freaking big. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Relax, relax. Look at that fish. Oh, slipped on my hand. And they hit it like right at the end of the hump. Like right here, watch. See, it's popping up. There's a few fish right there. Got him. There we go, see? Right where it drops off. They grab it, dude. It fights so hard, man. Oh my god, it's huge. That's a big one. Whoa. Oh my god. Look how tall that thing is, man. It's insane. Wow. Ah, stop, 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 stop. Do what you gotta do. Non-stop. Gee, that's a nice one. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's nice, dude. Oh, dude. Look how gold he is. These fish are so colorful. Absolutely gorgeous fish. I seriously can't get enough of this, man. I can't. I simply can't. And it's like you're drop shotting too, so you're holding your line vertical, you could really feel that bite. It's so intense. Like right here, watch this fish right here. Like that. It's a nice one. Yup, just like that. A non-stop slabs, dude. Slab for days. Pants is all dirty. This technique right here is so underlooked. Like, people think that, oh man, drop shots for bass fishing, but no, guys, drop shotting is for everything. It's on my phone. It's a nice one. Oh my goodness. They go in a circle like that, dude. This thing is freaking thick, bro. Oh my gosh. It's insane, dude. Look at that thing. Unfreaking believable. Oh my gosh. I gotta retie after this one. Yeah, dude freaking inhaled it. Wow, man. Just wow. Jeez. It's just stupid. Yeah, we gotta retie. So much fun. No, give me my worm. Don't you know the economy's bad right now? I need my worm back. Jeez. Thick as heck. How do you get bored of this, man? Can't. Simply can't. Just go to sleep then. You already got your pickup in, right? I got fish.
No.
Jeez. Bro, look how big these things are.
Yeah, I saw it.
Like, just absolute units, man. Units, bro. They look like a complex, dude. You see this? I didn't find anything like really big yet, but units, bro. Man, running crazy as heck. Oh, dude, look how tall this thing is. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful fish. Wow. Just wow, dude. I can't even be excited because there's people behind me. Like following me. It's pretty funny. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. It's like every drop. Dude, look at this one. Oh, dude, it's tall as heck. Just gorgeous. Ah, stab me. There we go. It's a better fish. Oh, dude. Wow. Dang, this thing's thick. Oh, jeez, it popped off. Dude, look how big this thing is. Look at that. Super tall fish. Wow. Alright, guys, so I think I'm going to end it here on the GoPro because it looks like it's about to rain. It actually is raining, but I just want to get caught out here if it does rain pretty hard. So we're gonna call it a day. We caught a ton of fish. My goal out here as a content creator is to always show you guys like the most effective way to catch as much fish as possible, right? I don't want to try all these new things too, but if you guys just try out that drop shot, right, that hook to sinker about like a foot or two long and just fish in deep water, you'll be very successful at catching bluegills, crappies, perch, whatever. It's a very underrated setup for panfish because everybody thinks it's just bobber and, you know, worm and stuff like that, but no, man, if you can get out there, fish deeper water, find deeper structures, you can have a great outing just like this. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Hopefully we'll be white bass fishing. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.